Bedtime Story.
The Wise Minister's Test. Once upon a time in the great Mughal Empire, Emperor Akbar, renowned for his wisdom, had a trusted advisor named Birbal. Birbal was known throughout the kingdom for his intelligence and wit. Many people were jealous of his position and constantly plotted against him. One day, a group of nobles approached the emperor and said, "Your Majesty, we believe Birbal is not as clever as he is said to be. We have heard that there is a man in a neighboring kingdom who is even wiser than your minister. We challenge Birbal to a contest of wit to prove his intelligence." Akbar, always eager to test Birbal's wisdom, agreed to the challenge. He called Birbal and said, "Birbal, these nobles doubt your intelligence and have proposed a contest. You must travel to the neighboring kingdom and participate in a wit contest against their wisest man. If you win, it will not only prove your intellect but also bring honor to our empire." Birbal agreed to the challenge and set out for the neighboring kingdom with a small entourage. He reached the neighboring kingdom and met the wise man, who was known for his riddles and puzzles. The contest began, and the wise man presented Birbal with a tricky puzzle. He said, "Birbal, here is your first challenge. I have a riddle for you. I am holding a small bird in my closed hand. Is the bird alive or dead?" Birbal smiled and thought for a moment. He realized that no matter how the wise man answered, he could counter it. Birbal replied, "The fate of the bird is in your hands. If you open your hand and let it fly, it will be alive. If you choose to keep it closed and let it suffocate, it will be dead." The wise man was impressed by Birbal's clever response, and he knew he had met his match. The people in the neighboring kingdom applauded Birbal's intelligence. Birbal returned to Emperor Akbar's court and shared the details of the contest. The nobles who had challenged him were left in awe of his wit, and they acknowledged his unmatched intelligence. Akbar was pleased with Birbal's performance and rewarded him for his wisdom. From that day on, no one in the Mughal Empire dared to question Birbal's intelligence, and he continued to serve Emperor Akbar as his most trusted advisor. This story illustrates Birbal's quick thinking and ability to solve complex problems, which made him a cherished and valuable advisor to Emperor Akbar.